Oh, oh, hey, I didn't know he was recording. All right, so turns out you have a first date coming up. You have a first date with a lovely lady. Where do I look? Where's the camera? With a lovely lady, and I'm gonna give you 20 ideas for things to say to win her heart on a first date. I'm gonna get straight to it. No junk. Number 1, compliment her and make her feel special. 2, show interest in her and ask her questions about herself. 3, be a good listener and pay attention to what she says. 4, make her laugh and show your sense of humor. 5, be confident and positive, but not arrogant or pushy. 6, be respectful and considerate of her feelings. 7, be genuine and authentic and avoid being overly rehearsed or scripted. 8, show that you have common interests and things in common. 9, be a gentleman and treat her with chivalry and kindness. 10, be yourself and let your true personality shine through. 11, show that you are open-minded and willing to try new things. 12, be adventurous and spontaneous and suggest fun activities to try. What am I at? 12. Show that you are open-minded and willing to try new things. 13. Be caring and thoughtful and offer her support and understanding. 14. Be a good communicator and express your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. 15. Be romantic and expressive and let her know how much you care about her. 16. Be passionate and enthusiastic about life and the things that interest you. Have interest, dog. 17. Be a good conversationalist and keep the conversation interesting and engaging. 18. Be respectful of her boundaries and give her space if she needs it. 19. Be patient and understanding and avoid being judgmental or critical. 20. Be a good partner and work together as a team to build a strong and lasting connection. There you have it. 20 ideas for things to say to win over a woman's heart on a first date. You might have to rewatch this a few times, take notes. Also check the description because I just wrote them in the description right there so you can look them over. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments if there's a specific point that you want me to go deeper on, like how can I be respectful and considerate of her feelings, or how can I show that I am open-minded and willing to try new things, etc. Thank you so much. My name is David ProRock. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I am going to be leading you on this journey of love. This is not about how to pick up a lady, okay? This is not about tricks, about how to approach a woman in public and convince her that she's interested in you. This is how to build a deep, meaningful, loving connection, okay, with someone that you already know. You just started dating her, and we're going to build a strong relationship together. Remember number 20, be a good partner and work together as a team to build a strong and lasting connection. Trust me, even if you end up breaking up, you can still have a relationship that lasts a lifetime. So thank you so much. Make sure to smash that like button. Drop your questions in the comments below. And love yourself, baby.